You can take two fasteners, same size, same material, tighten them to what feels like the same torque, and they will not behave the same over time. One holds clamp better, the other is more likely to lose it. The difference is not the metal, it is how the fastener is loaded when you tighten it. A standard bolt is tightened by turning the bolt itself. As it turns, the threads are sliding against the internal threads, and the underside of the head is sliding against the surface of the part. That creates friction in two places at the same time. While that is happening, the bolt is also being stretched. That stretch is what creates clamp force, but it is not happening clean. The bolt is being stretched and twisted at the same time. That twist matters. When you stop tightening, some of that twist is still stored in the bolt. It is under torsional stress. Over time, especially with vibration or load changes, that twist can relax. As it unwinds slightly, clamp force drops. The joint has not failed, but it has lost some of its hold. That is often the beginning of bolts working loose. Now look at a stud. A stud is fixed on one end. It does not turn during tightening. The only thing that turns is the nut on the top. The threads between the stud and the base are already seated. They are not being dragged under load during tightening. All the motion happens at the nut. That changes how the load is applied. The stud is stretched, but it is not being twisted at the same time. It is a cleaner load. More of the tightening effort goes into stretch, and less is lost to friction and torsion. When you stop tightening, there is less stored twist trying to relax. Clamp force stays more consistent. This is one reason studs are often used in high-load or high-vibration applications. Cylinder heads, exhaust connections, and critical joints use studs because they hold clamp more reliably. It is not that bolts do not work, they do, but they are more sensitive to friction changes and more likely to lose clamp if everything is not right. There is another benefit. With a stud, the threads in the base material are not being worn every time the fastener is installed. The stud stays put. Only the nut is removed and installed. That helps protect softer materials and keeps the fit more consistent over time. This does not mean you should replace every bolt with a stud. It means you should understand what is happening when you tighten a fastener. A bolt is being stretched and twisted. A stud is mostly being stretched. That difference shows up later as clamp loss or stability. This video is part of All About Fasteners and Threads playlist. If the same torque can give you different clamp depending on how the fastener is loaded, then torque might not be telling you what you think it is. That's what the next video covers. Thanks for watching. There's more to come.